doing?
Say hello, YouTube friends and fans.
Hello.
What's tonight?
We're opening a present. I got a theme song. It's Christmas, it's Christmas, it's Christmas in July.
Okay, open yours up.
Me?
Yep. What'd you get, Olivia?
It is a breast.
Cinch, ain't it?
Yes.
Open it up. Let's see how it looks. What course is that for?
Dynamite.
Oh, man. Super fast dynamite, huh?
Am I correct?
Yep.
Yes.
All right.
Perfect.
What's in this one?
I can't believe it.
What is it? What is it?
It is an obstacle hanging course.
Is it a Ninja Warrior course?
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm hoping to join American Ninja Warrior Kids version.
Are you going to try it out, Ian?
Yay! 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 Yay!
All right.
Yeah, let's open up this box.
Open that box up so we can drag it all out. That's everything that's in the kit. You ready to take it out to the tree?
Wait. There's still some stuff in here.
Yeah, I know. That all goes out to the tree. Let's go see if we can set it up. We measured these two trees earlier and they're 33 feet apart. So let's see what we can get involved in here. Alright, so what do we got here?
We got a American Ninja Warrior hanging course. So this is where it will be connected right here and it'll grab onto right here.
Yep. Rope knots.
This we would grab on and hold on.
Alright, let's grab the strap out of the bag.
This is a big strap. How long is this course supposed to be?
Well, I think it's 40 some feet worth of strap.
But how are we gonna make it that big?
Ta-da! This was our first Ninja Warrior course we built, huh? Took you a little bit of time to figure that out, didn't it?
Yeah, because this turns.
Yeah. So now we got a better one. Okay, ninjas, man your stations. Run your hooks through the top end. Don't close them all the way up because we'll have to hook them up to the strap here in just a few minutes. Oh yeah. Make sure you get each one. Gets a hook. Here, buddy. I'll help you hold it. Alright, now that I got my other assistant here, we can get this strap up around the tree. And as you hold it, I'll get it into the ratchet. I'll get it pulled nice and tight. Let's go get the ladder, set that up so we can hang up each segment of the course one by one. And yes, we can take turns. And don't forget the ones from the garage. We'll add those in and blend them in as well. So.
Doesn't work for me. Wait. Daddy.
Not made for both of you. Get off.
Yeah.
Now that you can't do.
Okay.
real quick.
Wait, Daddy, wait.
Get off of it.
Needs to be so tight. Needs to be where we can.
Now pull on it, see what you think.
I don't like it. You can cut. Don't, Ian, stop. My turn. Let go.
We're gonna have to move it way up.
Yep.
No, let go.
Alright guys. Gonna have to,
We should lift this.
we will, but we need to move it, so we don't need to put any more weight on it.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe, please, and we'll bring more interesting content.